Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. These cards are for your relationship and these cards are for your career situation, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that will be your Oracle guidance. This is the card, guys. So I will leave it here. Let's see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. We have Two of Spheres in reverse, Astrologer of Spheres, and Page of Suns in reverse, guys. So we have all reverse cards here, guys, Virgos. So in your situation, Virgos, maybe you are in some kind of expectations. Maybe you are in a very important situation, making some important decisions for yourself, and you are really, what to say, attentive, trying to do the right thing. Maybe you don't want any more troubles in your situation. So you are in a very precarious situation, working hard, trying to avoid any mistakes or some difficulties today. And you are also receiving some information. It may be a letter of something to do in your work situation. So some important letter is reaching you, or it may be some important message or an email reaching you from this person, guys, from this person you love. And maybe for some of you, you are what to say, just being really relaxed. Maybe you don't want to put in efforts, or you are not trying to do anything today. Maybe in your career or personal life you are waiting, maybe, guys. For some of you, that may be the reason I see some kind of resting energy in your situation. So you are not doing anything, or you are not willing to do anything today. The reason may be you are quite lethargic, or for some of you it may be a sickness. You feel powerless and you feel really down, maybe emotionally stressed or worried about something. So maybe this message from this person has left you worried, or some situation in your career, maybe some financial troubles. That may be the reason for some stress in your situation, guys. And maybe you did trust someone. Maybe you trusted someone to do something for you in your work situation, or maybe you trusted someone in your, maybe for this relationship, maybe this person you love. This may be their energy, guys, but they have proved to be something else, and you feel that you have wasted your time and energy on this person, and whatever you have worked for has gone for a waste. So that may be the reason you feel lost and worried a lot today, guys, Virgos. So let's see what are the cards, guys, for your relationship in specific. We picked 3 cards here, so let's see what it is. We have the Moon, Lovers in reverse, and the Emperor in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, Virgos, maybe you are dreaming about something. Maybe you have a lot of fantasies or dreams in your situation. You are thinking about this future with this person, and you are simply dreaming all the time, maybe. But for some of you, I see that you are not making the efforts whatever you need. Maybe the reasons, maybe you are not quite sure about this person or about this love, guys. You are not having that firm conviction about this relationship, whether this person reciprocates the same feelings you have. So maybe for some of you, you are just waiting for the right time. Maybe if you have that faith on this person and belief that this is the person for you. You are going to, maybe I see that you are going to work towards your dreams for this love, guys. And there is some kind of an uncertainty in your situation, guys. So you are not sure about what is there in their mind. So that may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. And maybe this person is quite stubborn, or you are quite stubborn. So you want clarity, and this person is, what to say, they are also not easily, not a person who wants to make any easy decisions. So they are also stubborn because they want all their expectations also to be fulfilled, just like you are waiting. They are also waiting. So that may be the reason, guys, you are not moving for positively forward in this relationship, guys. But I also see with these cards, this may not be the right time for you if you are in the verge of making some important decisions. If you have trust on this person, even then you should give it time, guys. Wait for some time. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We again pick 3 cards. So we have 6 of Suns in reverse, 5 of Spheres, and 8 of Moons. So in your career situation, guys, you are maybe seeing some delays, some kind of project suspensions, some kind of obstacles in your situation. Something is not right, and maybe people are the people who work with you, they are not making concrete efforts, guys. Maybe they are, what to say, you have that stern determination, but they are not so. They are quite careless. That may be the reason for some troubles in your situation, guys. But Virgos, I also see that your stern determination and hard work, it is going to take you towards a positive change in your situation, guys. And your difficulties are going to resolve. That is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship. Sorry, guys, for your career situation. So maybe some financial difficulties, whatever it is, that is going to come to an end. So let's see what is your wisdom oracle guidance. We have chaos and conflict, guys. So just like what we saw with the cards here, guys, this is the time that there are a lot of tensions you are facing today, but you should not forget that these chaos or tensions are something before order. So you can expect a major transformation in your life today, Virgos, and you need not worry for the situation now. And you just have to watch what is happening and not eager to fight or not eager to react and respond in this situation. And maybe your stubbornness is the reason for things happening this way, guys. And this is the right time for you to learn about yourself, what you truly feel and what is there in your mind and what is really important to you. So it will be the energy in your relationship or career situation, guys. So certain things are not negotiable. If that is true, you need not fight, guys. You can find a way around these stormy emotions that you both have, you and this other person, and wait. Maybe after some time things will clear between you both and you both will be in a better place. Maybe these arguments or fights that would have cooled down, this person would have cooled down and even you would have cooled down, and you will find a better solution if you use this time constructively, guys. So you have to let go of your stubbornness. Maybe your determination to make this person accept that you are right every time. So if you are quiet and if you can be patient or stay away from this person, if things are really bad, you have to take a break, guys. But you can get back to them once you cool down, or once that person also cools down. Then things will be different and you will have a better understanding how to handle the circumstance, guys, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, and that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.